quarantine vlog. It's a little past 7:45 p.m. I finished work. Now I'm going to make fried rice. Yeah, you heard it, fried rice. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I am going to use. Green onions, some mushrooms, oyster sauce and soy sauce. I just bought these today. I wasn't really sure what this was. I wanted to use bacon, but they were out of stock, so I just bought these, whatever they are. But they look like pork, some kind of pork something. I guess it should work, I'm not really sure. And carrots. And also garlic. And I forgot to put it here, but some ginger as well. Let me take it. Ginger. And of course, the basic ingredients: frozen rice and eggs. Alright, let's get cooking. That was a severe mistake. For the oil, I'll be using goma abura, sesame oil. Finito! Okay, that was harder than I expected. Okay, I'm done cooking, so let's have a try. Itadakimasu. Since I want to be honest in these vlogs. I'm gonna show you the aftermath of my cooking. My God, this is a disaster. But the fried rice is delicious. The important part of cooking isn't only the cooking itself, but also cleaning everything up after you eat it. So let's do something about this mess. It's actually like a little bit of a mindful process for me to clean up after everything. But today is a pretty big mess. Pretty big mess. Let's get to it. Alright, now it's as clean as new.